What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. On the show today, we're going to unbox the Cuisinart Bread Machine. This is the new model. I thought it was kind of interesting because it has a definite different look than the previous model. It does 2-pound loaves, and I wanted to try this baby out, and now's the time we're going to do that. So, what's up? It's Wednesday, and we're going to unbox the new Cuisinart Bread Machine. So I had the previous Cuisinart Bread Machine. It came in two versions. One was convection and one was not a convection. And I still have that bread machine. I like it. I did have an issue with it where I had to send it back to the company, and they sent me another one. It was sort of a pain to get that done, but I got that done, and they gave me another one. Not sure what happened, but suddenly it just wouldn't turn on. So they did replace it for me. But this is the new model. It just came out recently, and I wanted to try this out. I really like the look of it. Okay, so this is a 2-pound bread machine. And it's compact, has a viewing window. It has 12 pre-programmed menu options, 3 crush shades, and 3 loaf sizes, and an LCD display. It says it has a vertical pan, so we'll see if that's the case. So let's get this thing open. And it comes with an instruction booklet. Yay. And one of the things about the Cuisinart instruction booklets is they always have a lot of recipes in them. It's almost like a cookbook. So you got banana nut bread, focaccia, dough, pizza doughs, baguettes. These are pretty cool. Actually, Cuisinart has a really good lot of recipes on their website. Cinnamon swirl bread. Sweet. So let me get this out of here. One thing I can say is it's really, really lightweight. Unusually lightweight. Okay, so we got that off. And wow, it's really light. If you want a bread machine that you can move around really easy, this is definitely the one. It's like featherweight. I can like pick it up and toss it around. So here's our bread machine. And let's see what they say is a full-size results. Okay, it's not a horizontal loaf. It's definitely your standard loaf type bread machine loaf. And here's your kneading paddle. And this is a hook to get the paddle out of the bottom of the bread. Wow, this thing is very compact. They're not lying about that. How do I get this off of here? So let's plug this thing in. Oh, duh. Okay, the programs are on here. I was like, how do you know what program it's on? The programs are on here. So you go ahead, white, French, whole wheat, ultra fast, sweet, gluten-free, artisan, dough, jam, packaged mix, cake, and bake. Color and size. Interesting. I'll move this to 1. You can actually change, I don't know what that is. I'm going to have to, 1 pound, 1.5, and 2. I'm going to have to read the manual. Wow. Okay. So my initial opinion of this bread machine, it's definitely very compact. If you have a small kitchen, this would be great for it because it's really, it's small. I'm amazed. I'm a little concerned that it's going to bounce around the counter because it's so small, but we will see. So we're going to run a basic white bread test on this. We're going to use the recipe that's in the instruction booklet. We're going to do it all the way through, including baking it in the bread machine, just to see what this thing can do. So hold tight because the test is coming up soon. So what's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. I hope you're having a great week. We got the Cuisinart Bread Machine here, getting ready to do a full test and review on it. It's going to be interesting, that's for sure. I hope you're having a great week and you're ready to get cooking. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. Come and join the discussion in my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Wow, this thing is light.